I feel like when you reach a level of success in this Swagg game, man, it come a point in time where you cut off all your hard work and dedication, man, and you try something new. It's a lot of waivers that don't try this. And what I feel like right now, man, I feel like it's my turn now. It's time.
You wanna ride my way, now they blow it, I got shades. They wanna see me grow, they hate on low, they hate on low, they hate on low, yeah.
Bro, I can't believe I'm making this video, man. I never thought I'd see this day. You know, last week I had to get the fade, man. It was on the right. So I rocked there for a week, and now we down to this video. You seen the title, man. You think I'm playing? You think it's a game? Yeah. I'm serious, man. I'm ready to start this new pattern, man. You feel me? Time me to hit the 360 and kill the beehive, man. I'm not playing with you, man. It's a new journey. Do not let me catch you, bro. After this video, man, I'm dropping a video every week. Every week, you feel me? Let's get into it, man. Let's get it. So before you start cutting, you already know you gotta comb. Duh. You gotta comb your hair out first. Now we're gonna get into this cut, man. I'm gonna start out with a 1 guard with the grain, then I'm gonna go against the grain, you feel me? I probably should have washed my hair first. I was so ready to start this new journey, man. I was just like, you feel me? So stupid.
Oh my God!
Alright, man, look, you see it's a crisis right now, man. I really don't know how I feel right now, bro. You feel me? You see my hair white, right? So you know I gotta wash. I had to wash it, bro. It was on the right.
Oh, wow.
All my hard work down the drain.
You wanna ride my way, now they blow it, I got shades.
Alright, look, man. I did a giveaway about a week ago, and the people still haven't claimed their prize, bro. I'm gonna give them about another week or 2, you feel me? If they don't claim their prize within that time, I'm just gonna do another giveaway, or I ain't gonna keep, you feel me, trying to give away something and the people don't claim their prize, man, you feel me? Where they do that at? Hey man, get at me, man. If you want, go check out my drop fade video. I announced 3 winners in that video, so If you want your prize, man, come get it.
You wanna ride my way. Now they road, I got shades.